Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I trained Bentley to do sound alerts. So people who have hearing issues or they're deaf, they will use these alerts with their hearing ear dogs. I'm not sure that our method is the same as theirs, but it is very simple and easy to learn, and it's really handy for my phone when it's in my room, or when I don't hear it, then Bentley can hear it for me and then tell me that someone's calling or if I've missed a message. So super handy, super convenient. You can also apply the same method to tea kettles or coffee makers or doorbells, anything like that that you may have silenced. Your dog can learn to alert to it through like vibrations or just whatever you want them to alert to. So yeah, we'll show you how we did this. I have very specific ringtones, very basic ones that I use, just so that I know that it's my phone and not anybody else's, or my alarm in the morning. Things like that, just so it makes it easier for me. I do live with disabilities that I need routine and certain things in place to help my day go smoothly. So we will do the phone alarm first. Let's see if we can find it. Okay. So it's the same thing with the anxiety alert. As long as he touches or comes up to me and nudges me or alerts or whatever, then that's perfect, that's what I want. So I'm just gonna make him go over there. Down. Good, he's just off camera laying down over there. So have your ringtone. Touch. 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 Good. Okay, sit. Touch. It's a little bit quieter now. Touch. Yes, good boy. Okay, sit. Yeah, good boy. Yes, good boy. So that's my phone ringtone that I use. And when it's quiet like that, it's really handy because I actually don't hear it. I have a little bit of hearing issues. I don't hear it every time. Stop it. And stop it. Stop fake alerting. It's just really handy for me if my phone is under a blanket or something. Then I don't miss a phone call. I do it again. Good boy. Emily. This is why I have a toddler-proof iPad case. It's really easy to train that. You can also, stop it. You can also train it for like morning alarm clocks. If you don't like that loud blaring, you can have it set very quiet and then your dog can help wake you up. Stop! Quit fake alerting. It's annoying. Sit. Thank you. Have to wait. Good boy. So again, you can have it really quiet. Yes, good boy. I know you guys can't really hear it, but it is playing and he is telling me that there's a sound and that there's an alarm going off. Thanks, bud. Yeah, I hope that helps you guys. If there's different things you want to see us do, just let me know and we'll see if we can get them done. Stop fake alerting.